Hitting the road in San Francisco, we're off to find something neo on the block. Virgin America are the world's first operator of the Airbus A321neo, which is an impressive 23 feet longer than their existing A320 family. Here's a sneaky preview as the team take the aircraft on its final verification flight to Denver. Virgin America's shiny new toy, Neo Kid, on the block. She's almost ready to roll as anticipation starts to build at gate 54A prior to boarding. Alaska's caretaker senior executives are present, but make no attempts to interact with customers. Virgin America are excited to announce the boarding of the non-stop service VX001 to Washington, D.C. As they say, it's always the quiet ones. The Airbus A321neo, standing for New Engine Option, boasts an impressive 50% less noise footprint. We're almost ready to go, but first please sit back, relax, and
I got some safety tips that you gotta know, and trust me, it's something that you wanna hear.
So honey, sip your lips and enjoy the show before we move into the stratosphere, yeah.
So won't you buckle your seatbelt, pull it down tight, and keep your in that chair until we turn off that light. Turn your electrical devices off as fast as you can,
And whatever you do,
don't make me ask you again. So tonight, get ready to fly, 'cause we're gonna live it on up in the sky. Virgin America knows all the places you wanna be. Fly away with me, yeah.
For the 0.001% of you who have never operated a seatbelt before, really? I mean, it works like this. Insert the metal end into the buckle until it clicks, and pull on the loose end to tighten, making sure it fits low and tight across your lap. There you go. To open, lift on the top of the buckle. And remember, seatbelts should be fastened whenever you're seated, just in case of unexpected turbulence or weather conditions. Personal electronic devices should be turned off and properly stowed during taxi, takeoff, and landing. Laptops should be placed inside carry-ons or under the seat, not in seat back pockets or loose on the cushion next to you. Nice try. Your in-flight team or the sign above will determine when electronics may or may not be used.
right, it's time for final cabin check. Make sure all carry-on bags are stowed away, tray tables and seats are in their upright and locked positions, and all electronic devices are completely shut off.
For additional safety information, check out the safety cards located in the seat pocket in front of you. Please read and review before we take off. FAA regulations require that all guests comply with the lighted information signs, posted placards, and instruction of the in-flight team.
If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Now enjoy your flight, and as always, thank you for flying Virgin America.
So tonight, get ready to fly. We're gonna fly. We're gonna live it on up in the sky. Virgin America knows all the places you wanna be. Fly away with me. Fly away with me tonight. Get ready to fly, 'cause we're gonna live it on up in the sky. Virgin America knows all the places you wanna be. Fly away with me. Fly away with me, yeah.
It's as easy as 3, 2, 1. Virgin America service is completely on demand. All you have to do is select what you like, swipe your card, and it's delivered straight to you. Magic. In-flight teammates, please take your seats for landing into Washington, D.C. As the day draws to a close, Neo Kid on the Block returns to San Francisco. A special thanks goes out to the in-flight teammates in the cabin, Jenny, Alex and Anthony, and of course Brian and John in the pointy end. Thanks for a great trip and see you soon. #Virgin flies on.